winter was fading, the ice turning thin, as Rummi felt a new season begin. The ground was still white, but the sun was so bright, guiding his paws with a golden warm light. He hopped past the river, now starting to flow, searching for treasures beneath the cold snow. Beneath an old pine in a hollow so deep, he found a small secret, awoken from sleep. A brave yellow flower, a wintertime bloom, breaking the cold in the gray winter gloom. Oh, alhamdulillah for the things that we find, the gifts of the earth that are gentle and kind. From the smallest of buds to the tallest of trees, there's wonder and beauty in every cold breeze. Rummi sat down with a twitch of his ear. The treasure was hiding, but now it is here. He didn't just see it, he felt it inside, a feeling of thankfulness, deep and so wide. For every small blessing in every big task, to say alhamdulillah is all Rummi would ask. He walked through the snow as the sun started to set on the loveliest treasure he'd ever found yet.